Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix live option missing on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you can't find a live option in your TikTok account, it is mainly because you have less than 1000 followers. So if you have less than 1000 followers on your TikTok account, then you can't access that feature. So to access this live feature, you just have to have more than 1000 followers in your TikTok account. So you can fix this problem by using a trick. So what you can do is just simply tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right and tap on settings and privacy, and if you scroll down here you can find this option which is report a problem. After tapping on report a problem, now what you can do is just select this option which is live and then tap on hosting live. And now you have to tap on the second option which is hosting live. After tapping on hosting live, now what you can do is just tap on no and then tap on need more feedback. After tapping on need more feedback, now what you can do is just simply enter a feedback for TikTok that you don't have a live option in your TikTok account. You can request TikTok by asking please help me to get live feature without having 1000 followers. So you can request that, and you can also upload a photo. So just take a screenshot of your profile and then you can just submit your profile photo and your feedback to TikTok, and if they check your feedback they might allow you to access live feature in your TikTok account. So that's it guys, this is how to fix live option missing on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.